Okay, this is the corner of my quilt, Mama Tillie. Right now I am finding the lines to connect to create a block outside into the border. Each one of those lines is 4 inches away from the point of the corner block or the on point square that you can see. Now I'm coming in with my quick mark at 1/2 inch to create a barrier design within this area. And I'm going to work on the outside areas, and the detail of the inside will be later. So, all right, just finding the corner, using my piecing to help doing that and creating that line. Now I'm coming across, and this is at 4 inches, drawing a line, and then I'm going to design. So this will just help continue the design at 1/2 inch above. I'll do the same over into the border. Just using the ones I've already drawn to get kind of where I need it to be. I won't go into super detail on this one because I have done the border ones in a previous video, but right now I'm just dividing out the space at 2 inches using my quick mark ruler. So I use those lines to help me get the corner design. So this is a 2 inch grid from the outside. At this point, the one I'm marking X is, I think I do actually end up using it. And that's the thing when you're drawing, is sometimes you have to just really look at it, and it can start to be confusing. But right now we're just gonna come in with the curved design and continuing from the other side on the left. And I'm just kind of creating where I need to come. Whenever there's a corner, let's see, now I'm realizing, okay, I need to come in and get these lines. I'll start that. There we go. Okay, so I'm mimicking the side. There's that corner. Just double checking where I need those lines to be. So come out, same place that we're curving, or where we would come to start the next curved lines. And now I'm just gonna connect those. Okay, so you see how I did that. And most of the time that's what I'm doing in the corners, just kind of connecting it. Creates a nice little motif around the edge. So I'm coming in to finish up the arches, I guess they could be called. Okay, now I'm coming in with 1/2 inch to mimic that shape. And I'll come in again at 1/4 inch to mimic again, just like the arches. So, and then I need to continue the design, which is the going in between the grid, so the 2 inch grid there. And I just build on it. That's how I have to do it to get into the corner. One important thing to remember when you are drawing things out is to take a lot of pictures, because you'll want to remember what you did. So I'm always taking pictures so that by the time I get to the end of the quilt, I know what I did. I'm sorry, the focus goes in and out. Didn't really have control over that. Okay, and this one I'm kind of working on. I'm like, oh yeah, I need to come in, create that line. I have a little bit, I'm just trying to figure that out. Knowing I want to connect those lines. So I end up fixing up the lines a little bit because they don't look totally straight, but I eventually fix it because I'm just trying to decide, all right, how does this work? So even while I'm working on stuff like this, I have to kind of catch myself and be like, oh yeah, what did I do? So that's why it's important to have a grid, and then you start to work it out. On the outside corners, I'm just doing, continuing the lines. So that's why I like to draw a diagonal line so the corners can kind of work together. These are 1/2 inch apart. Works really well in the 2-inch grid. So inside the detail is the 1/4 inch space. So now I'm using, I can do this easily with my Quick Mark Assist. It's 1/2 inch lines. And this one I don't quilt with, I just draw with. Helps make those lines a little bit easier to do. Because I do encourage you to draw things out because it ends up being a lot better, more precise. I'm filling in with those 1/4 inch lines. Okay, now I realize I really do need to figure out that corner. So I'm gonna connect those lines and see how I'm gonna fix that, because it was kind of more on a diagonal on that bottom right. So there we go. Now they're connecting. And this, I have a design, and I'm gonna go ahead and draw it. It's just a feather design, which kind of mimics what's going on in the block right there.